Hello, living environment friends. Here we are. And if you made it to here, you made it to our new classroom for the third quarter. Congratulations. Here, raise a glass of some strong black coffee for that. It tastes like learning. Anyway, we'll do today's bell ringer and then we'll talk about what's coming up new. And yeah, let's go. All right. Hey now.
Mr. Kovacs class. It's Mr. Kovacs class.
You might learn a ton.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
It's interesting too.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
And he's super cool.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
Okay, so we have new classrooms because you're in one. The old classrooms, I'm going to make them disappear with the next couple days as things get finalized out. Hopefully today. So today in class, we're going to start learning about, the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondrion. And then our labs are going to have to do with something called cellular respiration. You may recall from my riveting, award-winning lecture on evolution of eukaryotic cells, or cells in general, the idea of the endosymbiotic theory, right? And one of the major components of that was that the mitochondrion, which is singular, right? Mitochondria is plural. Mitochondrion were at one time probably single-celled prokaryotic organisms, but over time, they evolved to work with other organisms in this endosymbiotic relationship, because these guys are able to take glucose, or at least the products of glycolysis, which we'll learn about here soon, and turn them into amazing amounts of energy. Okay? What we'll learn today is that cells could do that too without mitochondria, and they could still do it without mitochondria. But the difference of having a mitochondria and not is huge. Right? So we're going to be talking about eukaryotic cells, in particular ones with these mitochondrion, and right, and the evidence, of course, that mitochondria might have been evolved from the endosymbiosis. The biggest piece of evidence is the fact that they have their own DNA, right? Which they don't need the nucleus of the cell to tell them what to do. They can make their own proteins, and they can copy themselves. In fact, one of the things we know is that when mitochondria are stressed within cells, they copy themselves. That's why working out or training or doing aerobic exercise to use these guys actually will make you more fit or get you in shape, because you make more mitochondria every time you do that. And then the more mitochondria, you can make more energy with the same amount of fuel. All right? Anyway, so today in class I'm going to give another award-winning lecture today about respiration, at least the first part of it. And then if you have lab today, we're going to do a lab where we're going to try to measure a rate of respiration. And if you have lab tomorrow, you do that tomorrow. Deal? Deal. Good? Good. Okay, let's go.